Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the sapphire skies of the Millennium Cricket League, the Shield clashed with NJ Sluggers in a battle of wills and skills. The stage was set for a classic showdown.
A saga stitched in the fabric of F40 League Division A, with every deliverance carving history. This duel promised to be etched in the annals of cricketing folklore.
Our heartfelt thanks to the sponsors, without whom this thrilling display of cricket would not have been possible. Their support set the stage for today's spectacle.
DivGen Pharmaceuticals, elevating healthcare with each product launch, like scoring a century in a World Cup final. And the Park Special, for an innings of flavors that hits every taste bud for a six.
A high-scoring affair saw the Shield accumulate a formidable total, thanks to a century stand in Nayar's blitzkrieg. NJ Sluggers retaliated, but strategic bowling changes and superb fielding dictated the climax.
The SHIELD's innings was an intricate tapestry, woven with power hits and anchored by Nayar's majestic knock. Slugger's spirited chase encountered a storm in the form of the SHIELD's relentless bowling, shaping the narrative of this epic encounter.
Nayar's masterful 130 forged a century stand with Patel, propelling the Shield. Their partnership was the backbone, crafting a daunting score.
As the Shield unleashed their arsenal, the Sluggers' bowlers, led by Malayal's persistence, grappled to stem the tide, a struggle defining the innings' ebb and flow.
In pursuit of glory, Sluggers' batsmen, especially Karthik Raja, showed brilliance but could not weather the storm Patel and Masna brewed, ending their charge.
The second act showcased the Sluggers' fierce response, but the SHIELD's bowlers, Patel and Masna, spun a web too intricate to unravel, clinching key moments.
Emmanuel Nayar, with his scintillating century, and Bimal Patel, a triple threat with bat, ball, and field, stood tall as titans of the match.
Their exploits carved the narrative. Nayar's blade danced, Patel's spin bewitched, while Karthik Raja's valiant fight for the Sluggers added a silver lining to the duel.
The Shield triumphed by 56 runs, their fortress built on Nayar's century and Patel's all-round prowess. The bowling blitz was the final nail in the Sluggers' coffin.
A resonant victory for the Shield, a testament to their strategy and execution. The margin speaks of the chasm in class and moments seized. As dust settles on the F40 clash, it was the Shield's day. Their strategic mastery and individual heroics will reverberate through future contests.
We leave with memories of Nayar's bat scripting epics and Patel's spells casting spells, a prelude to what awaits in the F40 League Odyssey.